In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with an HBO Max gift card. Now, it's important to note right from the start that HBO Max is now called Max. So, if you hear me refer to Max, you know it's the same service. When we talk about gift cards, think of them as prepaid subscription credits. They don't function like regular payment cards at checkout. Instead, they add credits to your subscription, which is then used to pay for your monthly service. Let's begin by opening your web browser. Once you have it open, navigate to max.com/redeem. Alternatively, you can search for the HBO Max redeem page. This is where you'll enter the code from your gift card. Type in your gift card code carefully. Make sure each character is correct to avoid any errors. After entering the code, you'll see an option to click Apply. Go ahead and do that. This ensures your card is being processed. At this point, you'll need to sign into your existing account. If you don't have one, don't worry. You can create a new account right here. Signing in or creating an account is crucial as it ties your gift card balance to your unique profile. Once you're signed in or have created your account, you'll be asked to confirm your subscription plan. This step is important because it determines the terms of your service, like the monthly cost and features. Next, click Agree and Continue. This step finalizes the addition of your gift card balance to your account. You'll notice this balance is now reflected in your account details. From here on, each month your subscription fee will automatically be deducted from your gift card balance first. This setup ensures that you maximize your gift card usage without needing to worry about manual payments every month. It's a great way to keep track of your spending. However, once your gift card balance runs out, you'll need to add a credit or debit card to continue enjoying the service. This is an essential step to prevent any interruption in your subscription. Adding a payment card now can save you time later and ensures that your viewing experience remains seamless. You will receive a notification when your gift card balance is nearing its end, so you won't be caught by surprise. In summary, using a gift card for Max is straightforward and efficient. It allows you to prepay for your subscription and manage your finances better. Remember, the key is to regularly check your balance and add a payment method before the balance is fully consumed. This way, you can continue to enjoy your favorite shows and movies without any hiccups. And there you have it. You've successfully added an HBO Max gift card to your account, and you're all set to enjoy uninterrupted service. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, enjoy streaming with Max.